As you know, GE is #1 or #2 in most healthcare markets. So, Tostau, maybe you can welcome aboard. Thank you.
Thanks very much, Pat.
Maybe you could show us what you're doing, what it does, how it works, all the rest of it.
Yeah, this is a demonstration of GEHealthcare's medical imaging technology, all Java-based, used by our application developers to deliver advanced clinical apps to hospitals all over the world. In this demonstration specifically, I'm showing several different types of data sets, and these represent basically kind of a menu of what doctors and clinicians would be looking at in a hospital. In any particular, they would be doing things like zooming and analyzing lesions, for example, in this chest x-ray image that you see before you, or this abdominal CT scan that you see here, and changing things like contrast interactively,
it's like
so on and so forth.
Tomato there.
Yeah, it has a red color map applied. And this other CT exam, which is the exam of a skull, and which is being displayed using a very computationally intensive technique known as volume rendering. And as you can see, Java is more up to the task, very much up to the task to visualize this data. And you can zoom in and really get a feel as to the detail that this technique provides. Very, very interactive and just very, very visually engrossing, in my opinion.
Grossing, you said?
Grossing. Well, it could be gross also.
You're not hiding any supercomputers, you're not hiding any code?
No. It's all Java-based. It's actually using some of the new features of the upcoming Mustang release, and the Java bindings for OpenGL API. And we're very, very pleased by its performance and just the raw computational power that Java gives us.
So again, just coming off the digital divide conversation, how can we do this remotely, and how can we export the knowledge and the expertise over the network? Is it possible using this?
Oh yes, I mean, clinical applications are becoming increasingly network aware. Doctors want to be able to visualize medical data from anywhere in the world, from anywhere in the hospital enterprise. And really, we believe at GEHealthcare that Java gives us an ideal platform for doing these kinds of applications.
Fantastic. So this really can enable telemedicine in a very interesting way without having to necessarily build all the hospitals, the scanning environments, and moving the doctors to some places that they wouldn't normally be. So what's next then? Where are you guys headed with the technology?
Well, we really want to push this platform.
That's a real migraine headache.
we want to push this technology more and more into more and more applications that we ship out of GEHealthcare, and be able to increase our presence in hospitals, not only ours but also Java. I'd like really to emphasize that this technology saves lives and makes a difference people's lives on an everyday basis. And these are really the tools that doctors use to be able to detect, any one of our family members' conditions and whatever their illness might be.
Tostau, this is awesome. Great work.
Thanks so much, Scott.
I think that's an outstanding example.